The coconut right here.
这个排骨好吃不好吃啊？
好吃，
呢？
好吃。
很好吃。
Oh, also got white rice.
And you can dip
你
the
喜欢不
meat
喜欢
sauce
吃这
in
个排
it.
骨？
It's really flavorful.
喜欢吃炸的还是喜欢吃这种呢？你要不要寿司？要不要寿司的话？要不要？
Do you want? Do you want sauce? No.
妈妈也是不喜欢吃这样子寿司泡饭里面。彤彤啊，你拿筷子不是这样子，那个啊，这个筷子不好拿，是不是？这样子哈？
是这样子。
You are hungry, huh?
Super hungry. We could eat at 3. A bigger piece of meat.
I thought we were going to the restaurant to eat.
Me too.
Me too.
But we got.
You're supposed to say me 3.
Oh yeah. This thing is quite
Hi.
crunchy. You should try it. Like, and it's good.
Wow, look at that. Just put it up. It's hot. It's ginger.
你不喜欢吃金针的？
No. I don't like ginger at all.
Me neither. My friends hate ginger.
That is so good. Oh, sure you want any shrimp?
I'm sure.
Ashley is not a seafood person.
I'll peel one for her right now.
No, seriously, Amy, I don't want one. And if you do, I'm gonna be so mad.
年好的今年也做蛋糕做嘛，
哎呀，做这个蛋糕做呀哦，你做有错啦，我嚟到我烤肉啊，做专门哦，一方便。
It's so good. Do you want broccoli?
I can't really eat it because it's hard and my thing is hurting.
The zucchini and mushroom are not hard, and carrots. Mmm.
咁你把那佢啲人超細細，你下仲佢開咗你人麻飛嘛吧？
他先不要洗。
彤姐很喜欢吃虾子。
为什么黑色的不需要？
黑色的没事，是那个
No, no, I don't want it.
It's the vein. Just eat it. That's okay.
Those squares.
都干的这个虾，微波炉可能打太久了，太硬了。不要吃这个。吃些，跟我吃些啊，可是。
那个弟弟妈，彤彤那个要坐下来呀，要坐下来吃啊
Let。me go wash my hair.
A little more napkin.
I really like the sauce with the rice.
Can you help me get that over there?
Okay.
Careful, careful. Don't knock your water down. Thank you.
Did we even drink any water?
Yeah, I did.
I did. I drank a lot of water.
And probably
See?
you didn't.
Which one's mine?
Yours.
The one you didn't even drink at all.
Hmm.
Squirrels made my foot.
够不够啊肉啊？要是不够再拿
肉啊，
啊。哦，弟弟帮我拿来，弟弟帮我拿来，哎呦哎呦，弟弟呀，你要不要吃啊？是。你看弟弟一直看你们吃。Chứ anh xây nào để làm miền Trung này nói đây.
So crispy.
I don't like sauce.
You want sauce?
Yeah.
Want just skip?
这个很好吃，这个 sauce 呢。
This is so good. Oh my god.
What? I don't want that.
是你放够不够？要不要多一点放？
够。
哦，你要是还想多一点的，跟我说一下哈，还有很多。
I can eat this rice without anything to eat with it.
Really good, right? On meat.
Yeah, I'm getting full.
It's really good though.
I know it's so good. Actually, I just want to take one more. Like, a tiny one. Like this one.
No, take as many as you want.
There's still a lot. This is so good.
啊，是你拍不到，哎，
可以拍
到啊，
啊，
可以拍到啊。
just move.
See? Now the camera can see everyone.
I love painting.
I'm getting super full.
Well, you shouldn't get that much rice.
So it's too good to not eat it. Time for some water. You guys want to cheers?
Cups, Irene.
Cheers.
I love baby corn.
Wait, this is it?
I don't really like baby corn. It has no flavor to me.
I'll dip it in the sauce.
But when you dip it, it's pretty good. I don't like it. It's like average. I like it like
It doesn't
grilled.
taste
I know. Put in the sauce.
I dipped it in the sauce. I like it still.
Okay.
What day is it today?
20th.
Actually,
Is it Monday?
no.
No, it's Thursday.
Do you like meat? Do you like meat more, vegetable more, or fish, like seafood?
Meat.
What about you?
Meat.
What about you, Vivian?
Seafood.
Duh.
Oh no, I changed my mind. I like seafood.
Ashley doesn't like fish. I love fish. I love salmon.
I'm finished. Now my last drink of water. I'm gonna take this to the
Okay.
阿奇，
Do you want to come back?
Can I stand up? when
哎
I
呀，
go
阿是你写底卡你讲啊咧，要
Ashley. Just stand right here.
Okay.
You guys can see Ashley on the back.
今天才礼拜一。
She is full. She ate everything in her plate.
这样呢有。
I mean bowl.
诶，
or
讲比
maybe
我啊，
plate.
伊若办真正海伊袂有咧，所以都喊我倒数一数咯。我讲较倒用即个，伊囡仔做豆豉的白喉吧，较倒豆豉的白喉去数王啊，也真合理嘛。我古来咧讲我出面个咧你做，
小心。
哦，出面伊去海都惊伊那万年欧都无把杀干掉，我3年回家就我死，迄种咧光人哩。
I'm sorry,
你讲
but
我
it's
来
a
死，
little
你
noisy.
你肯定个，你某讲哎呀，你无煮头全是某个。
I love broccoli. It's so good.
That was the last one.
Mm-hmm.
你呢度彤彤嘅，到開始試試嘅，呢度，呢度嘅，呢度。
看他们。I want to have a little bit of waffle. If you guys wonder why my rice is brown, or maybe like light brown, is because I put the sauce in.
Yeah, like this sauce. Right here.
是看看嘛，那个芥蓝再拿一点，要不要？不然可能再拿一点。排骨呢？
Done.
是不是？
Looks like it's only gonna be me left.
哎，他爱听那个红苹果，那个那什么小苹果。
I'm gonna use a spoon.
Thế là phần thiêu á. Đầu tiên là anh nhập hạ đi phần thiêu.
Let's meet.
Hi. I'm sorry I wasn't here. I had to take care of business. When are you done with your
Mấy điều đó?
We finished all the meat and the
Bye
vegetables.
guys.